Today, I'm in Houston to find out if everything really is bigger in Texas. Yeah, it seems like there is some truth to that. What we're looking at is a prefab home that was delivered in 4 modules and is sitting over 8 feet high because it was built on a floodplain. This one is very cool. Let's go inside and check it out. You know, you've probably heard me say it before, but it continues to be true. I have not been in a home quite like this before. Welcome inside the 2,800 square foot 3-bedroom prefab home designed by Intexture Architecture and available through Aura Prefab here in Houston, Texas. Where do I even begin with this home? I guess the logical place to start would be the kitchen because that's where I'm standing. And a lot of the stuff that I show, one of the questions I ask is, can you make a Thanksgiving dinner in the kitchen? I cannot because I can't make a Thanksgiving dinner in any kitchen, but you are not going to have any problem in this one. Look at all of this prep space. So you've got this massive island right in the middle of the kitchen. You've got counter space over here. You've got a 6-burner gas cooktop with a griddle section here. It looks to be 2 ovens. So yeah, you have more than enough room to make a Thanksgiving dinner. You could make a feast in this kitchen. Over on the side wall, they've got this very deep sink in front of a massive window, and then coming back here, this is kind of an appliance garage, I guess you could call it. So we've got your air fryer, you've got the coffee machines, all of that good stuff. And then around this corner, tucked in the back there, that's where they've got the pantry, but I'll get to that in just a second. People like to know what's going on for storage in a kitchen. Let's get to it. Personally, I don't even know what I would put in all these cabinets. Like, how many bags of Doritos do I really need? But they have got enough storage for really, I don't know, whatever you might need. I'm not going to open every cabinet because there's just so many of them in this kitchen. Look, I just found another oven over here. Are you serious? It says Z-Line on it. Here's something I want to show because I haven't seen a home with this before. Have a look at how these open. Is that cool or what? Now, you might be sitting there thinking, that's great, Carrie, but where's the fridge? The fridge is over on this wall. This is a wall of refrigeration. So you'll notice that everything is matched to the cabinets, which gives it kind of a sleek, modern look. Rather than having the fridge door, you have a matching cabinet door. Full-size fridge there. This is a wine cooler or wine fridge, whatever you want to call it. And then on this side, they've got the freezer. Ooh, ice cream. Down in this little corner nook here, you've got a half bath on the left. They've got an almost full-size window on the end. That's a set of stairs down to the main floor. And then here, we've got storage on either side. Correction, that is actually the air conditioner on that side. This side is storage right there. And then they've got this kind of cubby space right here where you can sit, put on shoes, or do whatever you want to do by the door. More storage underneath there. Let's go over to the pantry. I almost forgot about the pantry. Just in case you weren't sure if there was quite enough storage in this home, they've got this pantry that has 2 full walls of shelving that you can put, you know, whatever you like. Stuff like honey. Let me tell you a little bit of the backstory of this home because you might be wondering why everything is raised 8 foot 4 inches off the ground. A little bit of backstory on this home. This wasn't the original home on the property. The original home had flooded twice, and then Hurricane Harvey, I believe they said, came through and flooded the home a 3rd time, and on the 3rd time it was beyond repair. So they had the home deconstructed. That went to Habitat for Humanity, and then they started working on a custom prefab that we're in right now to replace the home. So the floodplain required, I think, that the home be 6 feet off the ground. They decided to go 8 foot 4 inches, and that way the non-livable space below could be used for certain things, like they've got a garage down there, they've got a gym down there, and some kind of shop. That's why everything is on the main floor, but the main floor is actually the 2nd level, which is 8 foot 4 above the ground. There you have it. So now we are in the living room. Another thing I should mention is these ceilings are 10 feet high. If you're wondering why this feels so spacious, it's 26 feet wide with 10-foot ceilings. And yeah, it does feel quite spacious when you're in it. So behind me, we've got, I think it's a sliding glass door. Yep, it is, out to a deck. And then on this side over here, we've got the dining room. There are multiple things that make this home unique. One is the size and the other is the layout. So this home was delivered in 4 pieces and it's kind of split into 2 halves. So right now we are obviously in the living room kitchen half. This was 2 modules. There's a little section in the middle that connects the 2 halves, and then that side of the home is all bedrooms and bathrooms. So what I love about this is this section is almost completely wide open. And with that, you get this great room feel in this section of the home. It's wide open, be a perfect place to hang out, or if you like to entertain. It's got the biggest island that I think I've ever seen, and it is a very cool space. So you've got kitchen, bathroom, you've got the pantry back there, living room, dining room. The main entrance is right over here, and then we head into the other half of the home. Let's go check it out. Heading out of the main living space, this is the section that connects the 2 halves. So you've got the front door there. This is all windows right here. There's a place for keys and stuff that you can put by the front door. They've got the dog's leash right there. And then we move down into the bedroom bathroom section of the home, we'll call it. Right here, this is a provision for an elevator. So they're planning ahead. They know one day maybe they're not going to want to climb stairs as much as they do now. And so at that point, they can put an elevator in there. I think it's a smart idea. Going down a little further, the first door on the left is an office. Quick look at the office. There's a TV there, computer workstation there, closet, window. Pretty self-explanatory. Let's keep moving. Across the hall from the office is bedroom 1, which is currently in use as an office, as you can see. What I like about the bedrooms in this custom is they have en-suites. So you've got a full bathroom in here with a vanity, you've got a toilet, and you've got a walk-in shower. And one of the things they've done throughout the home is put skylights in the shower that just floods them with natural light, and it looks really cool too. So on top of that, they do have a walk-in closet in here that's just right behind the door, which I'll probably show right now as I'm talking about it. So continuing down the hall, we've got a full laundry room right there. We've got a utility room there, and then over here is the second bedroom. Come on in. The first and second bedroom are exact mirrors of each other. So the bedroom that I just showed you that's set up as an office is an exact mirror of this one, only this one's set up as a bedroom. So you can see there's a queen bed in here. There's still lots of space. They've got a little workstation over here. They've got this bedside table / photo rack thing. And then they've got kind of a dresser type deal here with a TV on top, and then another ensuite with the same shower and the same skylight. I like it. Right at the end of the hall, this is the main bedroom. And if you thought the kitchen living room was cool, wait until you see this. Now this is a spacious bedroom. Look at how much room there is in here. You've got a big window on this side. You've got another huge window on this side looking down into the yard. There's even enough space for a mini living room right in the bedroom. So what I like about this is the main entrance into the bedroom is at the end of the hall, and then it kind of splits off and it's open throughout the rest of these 2 spaces. And by 2 spaces, I mean the bedroom mini living room half and the bathroom half. Come over to the bathroom half. Come on. From the bedroom half, you take 4 steps and you arrive in the bathroom half of this suite. Am I right? Is this something or what? Check out this vanity. Look at how long this is. They've got the long sink with 2 faucets there. They've got the tub right here, and then they've got 2 shower heads over here with a seat right there and a scale. I've been on the road for a week now. Oh my God. That's a problem. Behind the camera, they've got a walk-in closet, and then there is 1 door. I like how it's all open back here, but I really do like how they've got the door right here because behind it is the toilet. So I think that's important. In order to even try and do this place justice, I'm gonna do a full walkthrough so you can get an idea of the flow. So let's do that right now. So, walking in the front door, you know I'm starting on the living room kitchen side. Have a look at this. I think we'll go to the right first, past the fridges, so we can get a look at this kitchen from all angles. Biggest island I've ever seen. How are ya? Going down, there's the window on the end. Go into this half bath here. You know, you've got your toilet, your sink, And then this is a set of stairs down to below, and some storage over here with a place to put your boots on. AC was behind that. We'll get a look at the kitchen from this angle. We're gonna have to hit it from multiple angles to even see all the cabinets that they have in here. It's absolutely crazy. Check out this window. I don't even think I mentioned that. Oh wait, I did. So yeah, you've got this window over top of the sink there out into the yard. The appliance garage across from the pantry there. And then we head towards the living room. And you can really get an idea of how spacious it feels with those 10-foot ceilings from this angle. Living room is across from the dining room. And yeah, I just really like how wide open this entire space is. Now, the connector piece right here. So that's the front door. That's where we just came in. And we're gonna go down into the bedroom, bathroom half. Again, that is the provision for an elevator. There's actually just being used as storage right now, not much in there. On the left is the office, right across from bedroom 1 that is also being used as an office. So let's have a look at those skylights, because that's one thing that I really like. Check it out in this shower. Just adds a nice little feature that I quite like. We'll go back around. I'm gonna skip past the laundry and utility room because, again, people are living in here and I like to leave them some privacy. They're nice enough to let me come through and tour their home. I don't need to be airing their dirty laundry. Stupid. So going this way, again, this room is a mirror of the other one. So the same as what we just saw. Let's duck into the closet here. You know what? Maybe I won't because I haven't been in there and I don't know what's in there or whether they want it shown or not. So coming into the main bedroom, the bedroom / mini living room here. Window into the yard. They got the TV in the corner. Another window out to the main street. And then I'm going to loop back around into arguably my favorite space in the home. No, I think the living room is my favorite space, but this is quite an impressive bathroom, if I do say so myself. Check it out. We've got the skylight up there. Get a shot of that. You got the double shower heads. You got the spot to sit if you get tired while you're having a shower. And then the bathroom, or the toilet, I guess, right there. This is the walk-in closet. I'm going to need more clothes if I'm going to get something like this. Another skylight, mirror for the fit check before you leave the house. And let's go back out to the living room where we will wrap this thing up in a neat little bow. Well, that is it for me at the 2,800 square foot custom prefab home here in Houston, Texas. This is usually the point in the video where I talk about the pricing. However, as always, when someone's nice enough to let me into their home, I don't ask them how much they paid for it because I think it's tacky. With that said, I will be touring more homes in Houston built by the same people who designed this one. So if you want some basic pricing on their standard models, you can follow the links in the description down below. They range anywhere from under $100,000 up to basically as far as you want to go with some of the custom stuff. That's all I've got for today. I am going to deck into this snack platter. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.